It is time now for Ask the Mayor. Every other Monday, Atlanta Mayor Kasim Reed stops by to answer your questions. Mayor Reed, thanks for being with us once again. We appreciate it. Well, we do have a lot of topics to get to. The first one is the future of Turner Field. Of course, we've done a story about GSU's plans to redevelop that property into a stadium and also use it for football, soccer, track, plus add housing and dorms. What do you think of that idea?
I mean, I think it's a terrific concept. It will require somewhere between $250 to $300 million. I think it will be transformational for the community. I think that it will give Georgia State University a more traditional campus because it will have a very large housing component. It'll also have a nice residential component to it. And I think it just displays an incredible vision for the community.
Did you have concerns about what would be the end result for Turner Field? I mean, because there were a lot of options that were thrown out there. Is this the best one for Turner Field?
I haven't had concerns. I mean, I haven't decided yet. What I said is that we would make sure that when the Braves left that we had a terrific community there, and that is being borne out. This is just one proposal regarding that 77-acre site, and I think it's terrific. But I haven't endorsed any of the proposals because I want to spend some time talking to the community about what they want, and I don't want them left out of the process.
Another issue, you know, Lenox Square, a lot of people are looking at that as we head into kind of summer shopping season. A lot of people consider this, you know, could it possibly be the Rodeo Drive of the South eventually? Yeah,
well, I think that corridor is just very exciting. I mean, when you look at what's happened with Phipps, Lenox Square, I can talk good about them because they're owned by a company that's Indiana, so now we're not playing the Pacers anymore. I can say how good a company Simon is. And then you have Buckhead Atlanta, which just made the announcement of 28 new world-class stores in Buckhead, Atlanta. That entire corridor is coming alive. Atlanta is going to increasingly be a destination for shopping. We also have some exciting ideas about what's going to go on in underground Atlanta. So I think that you're definitely going to have lots of places to shop.
Mayor, thank you. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Tracy.
As always, if you have a question for Mayor Reed, send us an email. Send it to mayor@cbs46.com. You can also leave your questions on the CBS 46 Facebook page or Twitter, #AskMayorReed.
We had more questions for the mayor today, including some about the new superintendent of the Atlanta Public School System and the mayor's upcoming trip to Nigeria. You can watch Tracy's entire interview with Mayor Reed on CBS46.com. Look under Top Stories.